All right, let's do this question number 10. Here we are given sine 36 times cos 12 is equal to P, and cos 36 sine 12 is equal to Q. Then we are to determine, in terms of P and Q, the value of these three trig ratios. Now, how do we go about doing that? We need to first check the relationship between what is given and see what is it really that we are going to get. For example, we are having these two things. What is the relationship between them? What if we can add them together? Like, for example, P plus Q. So I has to obtain sine 36 cos 12, then plus cos 36 sine 12. What if we have this? This is taking us to the compound angle of sine, remember? So we are now having sine 36, then plus 12. So this is what we have. And this is really going to be giving us 48, sine 48. So that makes us to believe that sine 48 is the same as adding those values P and Q. Done for 3 marks. Then let's come to number 2. What do we have there? We're having sine 24. How do we obtain 24 now? All right. I think if we can subtract these things, I think we're going to get something out. Because really, 36 minus 12, there is a relationship between them being 24. Now, what if we are for number 10.1.2? What if we are subtracting P from Q? Q from P, yes. So on that note, you will be having sine 36 cos 12, then minus your Q. Your Q is cos 36 sine 12. So if this is the case, the idea is to know that this is the compound angle of sine again, 30. But if you have a negative there, which means you'll be having a negative there as well. So this takes you to knowing that this is just sine 24. So we really did obtain that when we're subtracting Q from P, which means we are having that one. So in terms of P and Q, sine 24 is equal to that. Now, let's get into the third one. The third one, cos 24. Cos 24. But how can we go about doing that? We really know that sine 48 is equal to, this is really what we did prove, that it is equal to P plus Q, right? And we really know that this sine 48 is actually a double angle. We may not notice that this is just a double angle, that we can just write it that way. Now you know, now when you are expanding this double angle of sine is the same as 2 sine 24, then cos 24. Really, we wanted to have something to do with 24 and cos. This is what we have. This is the same as P plus Q. Now, we are really looking for cos 24. But don't forget that we already know what is sine 24 equal to. So on that note, you are having 2 times sine 24, which can be represented as P minus Q. Then times cos 24, which is equal to this thing on the other side. Now, we really don't want this. We have to divide by it both sides. So on that note, we'll be having cos 24, which is going to be equal to P plus Q, all divided by 2 into P minus Q. So this is what you have. So cos 24 is just equal to that one. And thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. See you right in the next video.